used to say you in love. I used to say shit back, thinking that shit from the heart. Now look where the fuck are we at? Girl, you got me just going up.
What's going on YouTube? It's T Customs back at you guys with a new video today. And today I thought I'd switch it up a little bit and work on some football cleats. So the cleats I'm making are actually going to be for myself. I feel like, you know, like I love to ball, so why don't I treat myself right for once, you know? Kind of just going to be a freestyle. We'll kind of see where it goes. Honestly, I don't really have a planned out custom for these or anything, so really I'm just going to kind of wing it and see if I like it. So hop into the video, guys. I'm going to show you guys the walkthrough on this tutorial custom and hope you guys enjoy. Alright you guys, so we finished taping all the uppers, the swooshes, and we taped off the bottom for the part that we want to keep its color. So now for the next step that we're going to want to do is you're going to want to grab some sandpaper type material and acetone. What these are going to do is we're going to rub down the material on the surface, that way it can create tiny holes for the paint to settle in. Since this is a rougher finished surface already, that way our paint will stay on through contact and can play football with it. Next step, what you're going to want to do is get your toothbrush, flat white. Now what we're going to do is add paint speckles across the entire shoe. Alright you guys, now we're going to do the part of this custom that I really think is going to set it apart. So I think it already looks pretty clean right now with the black swoosh, but I've decided I'm going to do some drip effects off the swoosh. So let's hop right into that and show you guys the effect. Alright you guys, so we're almost done with this custom. Personally, I think it looks super cool. But once again, before we finish it off, we got to cover the shoes in some scratch resistant sealer. This will help avoid anything on the surface from scratching or rubbing off, so that way it'll have a nice durable custom. Guys, now we're going to wrap up this custom with some finisher, some Krylon matte finish. We're going to spray it across the uppers, and then we'll unveil the final product. Alright, you guys, it's going to wrap up the video on my custom football cleats. I think they came out awesome. So let me know what you guys think about these. Leave a comment below. Let me know if there's anything else you guys think I could have done to these. Anything you hate, anything you love. You know, let me know. I'm always there for the feedback. I love to hear what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll be dropping another video coming out soon, as you can see behind me. So that's a little sneak peek for you guys. Anyways, stay tuned for more stuff. Follow my Instagram notifications, turn those on. I'll be selling more products on there too. I had a lot of fun doing these. Personally, I think doing cleats is something you can have a lot of fun with, guys. So you'll definitely see me rocking these later on in the season. So let me know, drop a name down below what you guys think for these. But appreciate you guys all for watching. Like, subscribe, turn on the notifications button. More heat dropping for you guys soon.